Eddie and I are from two totally different worlds. Ordinarily, it is unbecoming of a girl in my career to end up with a guy in his career. Even in his career, Eddie is not ordinary. Eddie prayed to God for a woman exactly like me. He went through a lot of ridicule, a lot of humiliation, a lot of everything. Ladies and gentlemen, there is nobody who works like that except God. God had a reason for this. And if you sat down with Eddie and he started explaining to you about God, I don't know whether you would think you met Kenzo. Eddie actually loves interacting with young people. Today he was not available. I think it would be interesting for young people in Riot to get to hear from him. Without the grace of God, it wouldn't have happened. This is a man whom everybody thought in the country and in the world would never marry. But the first day he met me, he told me, "I want to marry you." I don't know whether he was such a risk taker that he would just tell somebody he barely knows that he wants to marry them. And confidently, he said, "You know, I have never asked any woman to marry me. So how do I explain that to you?" I think the same God that ordained it will enable us through for the glory of his name.
There's still some days before Riot is over. Even if he decides to come at midnight, we'll find a way to make it work. But thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. This is a blessing. We don't take it lightly. She just came back from traveling from up country and she took the time to be with us. We're so grateful. Thank you so much.